Hi, I'm Dr. Stanley Miller, and coming to you once again for our weekly video clip on how to take care of yourself and your health. And every week we give you a different tip, and if you follow these tips, you'll be very healthy in many, many different ways. What we're going to cover tonight, basically, is going to be low back exercises. These are some basic low back exercises that if you were to do these regularly, you'll probably be able to tonify your back muscles, and you would not have very much pain, hopefully. Okay, especially if you combine that with your adjustments. So what you want to do, you don't want to do this on the bed, because if you do it on the bed, there's too much give in the bed. So these exercises I typically do on the floor. Okay? So you're going to follow me down onto the floor. This is just what you're going to do as well. You're going to make two fists, and you're going to put it right under your pelvis, right here like this. Okay? Then what you want to do is you're going to lie on your stomach. Okay? And you're going to lift up your right leg. You're going to hold it for 5-10 seconds, and then bring it down again. You're going to do that a few times. You're going to lift it up, and then you're going to bring it down again. Then you want to do the opposite leg. Make sure you keep the leg straight, because if you bend it, you're not going to get the full benefit of the exercise. So keeping the leg straight, you're going to lift it for 5-10 seconds, and then you're going to bring it down. Okay? Then when you get really good, you can lift both of them at the same time. But I don't advise doing it unless you know that you have a very strong back. Now, you're going to roll over to the opposite side, and you're going to lie onto your back. You're going to roll down like this, and keeping your knees bent, you're going to pull one knee to your chest, hold it for 5-10 seconds, drop the other leg and get a better stretch. And for a more advanced exercise, you can pull it over to the upper left-hand shoulder, hold it for 5-10 seconds, and then you want it to relax. And then you can bring it down. And you do the left leg. You pull it to your chest, bring it to the opposite shoulder, hold it for 5-10 seconds, and then you want it to relax. And then bring that down again. You do that 4 or 5 times on the right, 4 or 5 times on the left, and then you bring your knees, both of them, to your chest, hold it for 5-10 seconds. It feels great. You really feel like a good stretch, especially at the end of a nice hard day's at work. Then you can bring yourself up, and if you want to, you just relax like this. Put some pillows under your knees and just relax for about 5-10 minutes. It's extremely, extremely relaxing, and let the muscles just sink into the floor. Let your back muscles sink into the floor. Okay, so I hope you remember to do those exercises on a daily basis. And I surely got my exercise today. And have a wonderful week, and we'll see you in the adjustment room for your next adjustment. Have a great week.